Hey guys, it's Kyler, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a live animated wallpaper just like the one I have on screen right now. So the first thing that you guys are going to want to do is click on the link that I've left in the description to the Lively website where you can download the program that I'm going to be using. So what you want to do is click on download and then installer setup. Then go ahead and let that download. Alright, it's just finished downloading, so I'm going to go ahead and open it and then click on OK. I accept and next, install. You can basically just breeze by all these next buttons and it's pretty simple to install. Alright, it's finished, so I'm going to go ahead and click on finish and it should open up right after that. So just in case it doesn't show up for you guys, just go ahead and search up Lively in your Windows bar, click on it, and then it should come up in the hidden icons. There we go, we've already got a wallpaper going. And here we are. So you can see there's a few options that you can already choose from here. One of my favorites is the rain option, and I'm gonna go ahead and click on display 2, that way it's on my second monitor. And there we go. You can also customize this wallpaper. There's a bunch of different settings where you can change the way that the rain looks. But other than that, you can also add your own wallpapers just by dragging in a file. So I'm going to go ahead and bring in a video that I have downloaded of a squirrel water skiing, and I'm just going to drag that down here and click on display 2, then click on OK and let that video load really quick, and then it should become my new animated wallpaper. We'll see how this works. There we go, guys. What is not to love? A water skiing squirrel is now my animated wallpaper. That is amazing. So I hope this video helped you guys, and if it did, please leave a like or subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.